Of today's market action, the point is the Nifty is at the low point of the day, but is the Nifty bank now showing signs of a breakdown? We have moved to around 37,500 odd. Do we drift lower from here? Go ahead.
Hey Nigel, good morning to you and Mangalam as well and all the viewers. See the overall trend for Nifty, if you look at it over past few days, not only yesterday or today's, if you look at past few days, it has not gone anywhere. The high made by Nifty was somewhere around 17,600 few days back. The low made is around 16,800. It retested that level and bounced back from there. So in a nutshell, there is nothing happening and it's a pure range bound movement which is happening on the upside and the downside. The move that we saw on Nifty came towards the level of 17,500. That is a very high open interest. We can clearly see that. So crossing that is not going to be an easy task. Yesterday, we saw a sell-off of nearly 200 points from that levels in just a moment of 15 minutes. And today also we are seeing a sharp cut. So I think it's going to be sell on rise right now. And as long as 17,500 is protected, and we can again see Nifty inching back towards that level of 17,080 on the downside. So that can be the trading strategy. 17,500 can be your stop loss if you're selling it. 17,080 can be the target levels to keep a watch on. And on Bank Nifty, if you look at Bank Nifty, yes, Bank Nifty is definitely a high beta index, and we can clearly see it moving up also very sharply. Like last time we saw it going up by more than 1,500 points in single day, and now again correcting by nearly more than 400 points. So that is the volatility we are seeing in the markets in either direction. If you are an intraday trader, you can trade in the direction of the trend, but positionally, making money in this market is not going to be an easy. So for Bank Nifty, I think the support is directly at 37,300. Possibly we can test that support level.
All right, in a situation like that, then what individual stocks should one do, dabble in, Ashish?
See, I would go with the flow of the trend. So as Bank Nifty is under pressure, I would probably look forward for selling Axis Bank. It has reversed multiple times from that 810 levels. Nearly 3 times in past 2 weeks, it has reversed from 810 and again inching back down. So I think over short term, Axis Bank can be a sell, making a stop loss of 812. Target is 730 on the downside. On the contrary, if you look at the pharma space, I think there is a consolidation and a rally that can imminent in the pharma space. Divi's Lab looks very decent at this level also. It has bounced back sharply from that 4,000 mark, forming a higher high, higher low, managing to cross that 20 days average and sustaining there. So looks like Divi's Lab can be a buy here. Stop loss 4,310. Target can be 4,800.
Okay, all right. Thanks a lot for that, Ashish, for stopping by and filling us in with your quick take on the index as well as a couple of stocks. For the